Hello friends, this is network bonding part 2. So let's go ahead. If we'll execute here, if config, we'll come to know the bonding one. So this is my bond. So this is my bond. I created this bond by taking Ethernet 1 and Ethernet 2. And this bonding IP address I have given 192.168.0.20. Now let me show you about round robin, then we'll go ahead about active backup. This is the command to verify about bond. So in this bond I added Ethernet 1 as well Ethernet 2. Ethernet 1 and Ethernet 2, these two NIC will work as a slave NIC. So to watch about NIC, we need to execute the command is watch -n dot 1 cat cross net bonding bond 0. Hit enter. Let's open one more terminal. Okay. Now ping it. Ping 192.168.0.20. Yes, it's pinging. Well, now go to this session. Here, make it down 1 Ethernet. ETH1 down. See, still is pinging. Still here, pinging. If you come here, my Ethernet 1 is down. See, my Ethernet 1 is not showing here, and here it's showing. This is the round robin. Okay, this is the round robin. And my now Ethernet 1, the first NIC is down, and my second NIC now is off, and this one is the taking care. So this service is nothing but the round robin service. Now come here, make it off. ETH1. I make it off. See, here now it's off. ETH1 is off. This is slave 1 is off, and now this is also here is showing clearly it's off. It means now both of the NIC is off. However, it is when any disturbance is happening in between these two NIC, user is not getting any, user is not facing any disturbance. Here, user is able to reach the destination. So now let's come here and again down it ETH2. If down ETH2, even now ETH2 is down. See, now ETH2 is down, ETH1 is up, and ETH1 is now taking care. Now user is able to ping. He is not getting any disturbance. No, not a single disturbance. Getting me? Now come here, make it up. If of ETH2. Now come here. See, ETH2 also up, and the user is able to ping. User is not getting any single disturbance. Okay, so this is all about the round robin. Now let's go ahead to know about active and backup runoff. Okay. Going to configure that. One zero, hit enter key. Here, what you need to do, instead of 0, more 0, you need to give here 1. What? 1. Now, save it. Now, restart the service. Restart the service. Now, when I'm going to restart the service, it went down everything and now it's up. For few seconds, now it's unreachable. Now it's unreachable. Let me stop it. For unreachable, again it's reachable. When both of the NIC is off, now it's able to ping. Now my this one Ethernet 1 as well as Ethernet 2 both is off, and now this is working as an active backup runoff. Hope you are understanding. Okay. Now come here and make it any one ETH down. If down ETH 1, I made now first NIC is down. When first NIC is down, here it's showing. See, ETH 2 is off, and now it's working as an active backup runoff. When my ETH 2 is off, my ETH 2 is what is showing currently active slave, and it's working as a primary slave. It's working as a primary slave because of my ETH 1 is not available. Only ETH 2 is there. Okay, so this is what. If I'll make it off ETH 1, so there is the command if of ETH 1, make it off. So when it became off, now it's showing here ETH 1 is off. Okay, so let me ping here. Come here, ping 192.168.0.20. Now it's pinging. However it is, if I'll go here and I'll make if down ETH 1, now here user is not getting any disturbance. He is able to ping. If you come here and check here, what is saying ETH 1 is down and ETH 2 is working as a primary NIC card. Okay, so let me make it off ETH 1. So now ETH 1 is off. Here clearly it's showing ETH 1 is off. Okay, so here the primary one is ETH 2. When I down ETH 1, ETH 2 is come off and ETH 2 was working as a primary one. Now ETH 1 is the secondary one. If I will make down ETH 2, then ETH 1 will come up and he will work as a primary NIC. So let's go ahead and do that. Now see, ETH 2 is down. Now ETH 1 is come up and he is working, he is supporting as a primary one, as a primary NIC card. So let it up again. ETH 2 off, or you can execute ETH if of ETH 2. Now see, ETH 2 is off, but still ETH 1 is working as a primary one, because when ETH 2 was down, ETH 2 is come up, and now ETH 1 is working as a primary. So this is all about the round robin as well as active backup. Here also one more thing you can do, how you will set a primary interface. So that I have command, you can go that like however I show you. I think earlier I show you, yes. So here if you execute this command, and go inside that, here go to last line, mode equal to 0. Instead of mode equal to 0, give mode equal to 1. So it means when you will give mode equal to 1, at that time you have 2 NIC card. So when one NIC card is down, another NIC card will come up and he will work as a primary. So this is all about the NIC bonding. Now see, I am able to ping. User is able to ping till end any register ones. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my video so that I can bring you new tech solutions.